Well, hello there, I'm ready from your dinner and welcome to a new episode. Today we are making pumpkin soup because 1. It's fall, 2. It's pumpkin season and 1 plus 1 equals 2, right? So let's start. As you can see, this soup is packed with veggies and full of flavor. I'm using smoked garlic here for a little extra depth, but regular garlic works perfectly fine too. Start by cutting your pumpkin into 4 pieces and please be careful with your fingers. Scoop out all the seeds and fibers and discard them. Or if you want to get creative, you can roast the seeds for a crunchy snack later. Peel off the pumpkin skin and cut the flesh into smaller chunks. Place them in a large pan and pour in just enough vegetable stock to cover. Cook until the pumpkin starts to soften. Now, onto the other vegetables. Begin with the bell pepper, any color you like, red, green, yellow or orange. Then slice a large carrot or a couple of smaller ones and do the same with the parsnip. Roughly chop 2 onions and finally the garlic. Add everything to the pumpkin along with the rest of the vegetable stock. Season with a bit of salt and a good crack of white or black pepper. Let it all simmer until the veggies are completely tender. Once everything is soft, grab a hand mixer and blend until there are no lumps left and it's completely smooth. If the soup feels a bit thick, just add more vegetable stock until you reach your preferred consistency. There's really no strict rule here. Make it how you like it. Finally, pour the soup into a nice bowl and drizzle a little extra virgin olive oil on top to make it look and taste extra fancy. A cozy veggie-packed soup ready to enjoy. And that's it. I want to thank you for watching. Enjoy baking and cooking. Let me know down in the comments what recipe you want to see next. Hit the like and the subscribe button if you like this video. And of course, I see you in the next one.